ladies, how you doing? So guess what? We got our first Sephora haul for the year, y'all. I went in, I had a good time. I had some gift cards, so you know I had to add to it. I just had a good time. And I think I bought, no. I had bought some things prior to me even knowing I had a gift card, but you already saw that one. So let me show you guys what I got. I am thoroughly happy with what I have. This is like a little bag with a lot of stuff in here. No particular order. We're just gonna have some fun. So first up, pulling out one size. I got me a big bottle of this. This stuff was sold out. Then I ordered it. Lost. The package was lost. So I finally got my hands on it. So I got me one. And then I told you guys about the Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Flawless Filter. Let me get it right. I don't even know what this is. It says, oh, Youth Glow. So this is like the real deal, but you know when e.l.f. did their little halo glow thing? But to me, I got shade deep, 8 deep. This is going to be like that no makeup look, because this is not really a foundation. This is just like that put on your skin type thing. I'm going to test out the Danessa Myrick one, the Yummy Skin. Not the balm. I had the balm. I'm going to try that one out. And I'm going to see which one is better. But I'm definitely intrigued about this one. I like the packaging. Next up, I couldn't resist. I picked up the Givenchy. This is like the setting powder. This one comes in like the 4 different shades. You probably can't even see. But, you know, we can definitely open some of these things. Because I'm sitting here acting like I'm not going to try this stuff out. So here we have it. It's like the little 4, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4 to 4 different colors. I wonder how this looks. Ooh, Givenchy. See, it looks nice. Can you see it? Oh, I love this new lens. Look at there. It doesn't clock then. So this will be something for, you know, under eye, because I'm going to retire my Laura Mercier. I've had her for a while. And I want some new makeup. So that's what we're going to do. Well, she's around here somewhere, but she's got to get put up. And for this, we can go ahead and open her too. So you can kind of get a feel of what I'm talking about in regards to, it's not really a foundation to me. You see? It's like very, 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 very faint. You see it? Very, very faint. And it's definitely giving deeper on my skin. But let me, when you blend it out, look at that. Oh my God. That looks so good. Like you can't even see it. This is like that in the rush, no makeup look, just putting on a little tinted whatever. That's what this is. And I'm gearing more towards that, guys. I'm gonna be honest with you. Your girl gotta give her skin a rest. I'm aging and I can't, you know, I can't. So yeah, that looks great. It is giving more bronzy. It's not giving red. Well, you know what? It's on my hand, so I really can't tell. Next up, I got Tower 28. I wish I would have had a little rag or something in here because I'm over here testing stuff out. This is Tower 28. This is their tinted sunscreen. What? Oh, girl. I don't even know what I'm picking up. I was a tinted moisturizer. It says Tower 28 Broad Spectrum SPF Mineral Tinted Sunscreen. I got the shade 63rd Street. What? I'm just out here just shopping, not even knowing what I'm doing. Well, let's go on and see. We're gonna use this piece right here. It look about the same as you see a little dot right there? And it's zoomed in. It looks the darn same. Oh my God, this is it. It looks the same. Okay. Well, we're gonna do a cool little makeup look. I'm gonna, you know, show you all the spill, you know. And I also bought a concealer. So this concealer is definitely on the lighter side. This is Tower 28 as well. Which shade did I get? 14.0 PV. So let's see. Why did I think that was a foundation or like a tinted moisturizer? This is on the lighter side. Yeah, this is bright. Can you see? It's bright. So it's nice because it's more on the neutral side, but I can see myself making it work. Let's kind of blend it out and see. Yeah. Effortless look. Yes. So it'll blend out very nicely. You probably can't tell, but it'll blend out very, very nice, very, very effortless. And I also picked up the Fenty Hydrating Concealer. Kelly, you don't need all these concealers. But she's going in the garbage because I've had her for a while and she's definitely had her run. So I got the Hydrating Concealer. This is in 410W. I will do a more in-depth review to give you the spill on how it looks on me. I'm just going to give you a little swatchy swatch. I picked the shade 420. I think that's what I picked up. No, 410W. Okay. Another warm, you know, let me see. Can you see? Where is she? She right there. Another warm situation. This one thinks it's going to be a little bit on the... it's blending out nice. I like it. Who doesn't like new makeup? But we're going to do, you know, a whole concealer thing. We're going to do a thing. We're going to do a thing. I also picked up another one of these concealers because I really, really, really liked it when I had it before. And this is the Dior. I'm not going to show you this because you guys already have seen it. But this is the Dior concealer. And I have the matching foundation. So I love Dior. Dior is probably one of my favorite beauty brands is Dior. Like, I really, really enjoy their products. I have a whole video on both of these. So I had to get another one because the other one, we don't want to talk about that, but she's back. Next up, well, this was free. They gave me, I bought some masks because I know I need to hydrate. You know, winter months, we gotta hydrate. So I think she gave me this for free. This is the Kiehl's. You guys know I am a Kiehl's lover as well. So she gave me some of the Ultra Facial Cream. This is really nice. This is my bag from right now. And here are some masks that I picked. They were $7 a piece, so I picked up two. This is the Dr. Dark, if I'm not mistaken. Nice mask, you know. Nice mask. In addition, they gave me some Pharmacy Green. This is like the makeup remover. Really, really nice. It's good for like the eye makeup and all the stuff. And then I also picked up the Huda Beauty. You guys know I am a lover of Huda Beauty when it comes to the makeup. I'm trying to get into the fragrances. I know I talk so much crap about the pistachio one, but why did it wind up growing on me? I'll tell you later because I talked about it bad. But this is the Huda Beauty. This is the Peach Pie. I want to go back and get the cherry one. They didn't have it when I went, but if not, I'll order it on the Huda Beauty website, and I'll get into that later. Why? It's cheaper on the website, on the Huda Beauty website. So for fragrances, I picked up the iamKeliB Vanilla, which smells amazing. And I also picked up the Pistachio Gelato, Yum Pistachio Gelato, the one I talk so much crap about because I did not like how it smelled. Let me tell you something. I had to get the Intense. The Intense smells way better to me. Way better to me. And it made me become a believer and a lover of it. So this is my second one. The first one I didn't tell you about, but I went and got another one. And I also went and I ordered a big one. That's how much I like it. And I talk crap about it. You guys know I did. And I'm eating my words. Like, no, I'm keeping it real with you guys. I'm taking my words back. So I do have a bigger one of these. And let me go get so I can show you. And I have the vanilla here. So let's focus on perfumes. Hold tight. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So here are the two that I picked up. So this is the intense one as well. I have to make sure it says intense down here. So this here, I don't know what it does to me, but I am a believer now, y'all. I talk crap about it. I did, but I take everything back. Then I went and picked up the Eden Sparkling Leche. When I tell you this stuff smells so good, it smells so good. When I went to the store, it was all sold out. This is like the most, I think, newest one. It might be another one behind it right now, but this mess right here, you can smell the sparkle. Like, you know how you can smell Prosecco, you can like smell the bubbles. That's just what you smell, the bubbles in this. It's insane. So good. And you can like mix and match this stuff. But these two, my daughter got the apple. She loved the apple. So I bought that for her birthday. That was one of her birthday presents. So yeah. So now I have this patchouli when I'm getting dressed. And I have this one for my purse right here. Because I tell you, I am in love. In love. I don't know what's going on. And the notes. Should I tell you the notes? I can't even see it, so I can't tell you notes. Just trust me on this one. I don't like no stink stuff because I am hooked on like my iamKeliB. And I can tell you the difference between these fragrances. These fragrances, like when you smell a iamKeliB or a Bond No. 9 or a Creed or like them Delinas and all of that, it's a different type of quality of fragrance. I mean, it's like high end, you know, those Joe Malones, not the let me get it together. Not the cologne. That's like toilet. But the perfumes, those, the red bottles and the black bottles, those are the ones that last. The other ones don't last in Joe Malone. I don't care what nobody say. They don't last. Even when you layer. But these are like those like that middle of the road when you don't want to burn that pocket like that. That's where these come in. They are $100 a pop. Okay, they're $100 a pop. That's just for this size. They have a bigger one. Those are like $130, something like that. Now you might say, okay, why you didn't get that one? I'm okay. I was rocking out with these. These are like 40 bucks. So she ain't playing with her prices, okay? She's not playing, but nevertheless, it's very nice. I like them. But do I still like my Bond No. 9s? Yes. Do I still like my... I like Tom Ford. Tom Ford is nice. But those are pricey, you know. Those are fragrances. Like me, I'm a heavy sprayer. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm surprised I still even have my iamKelibs. Both of them. Because I be like, and I carry them with me. Like when I go out, I carry my fragrances with me. I don't care, big bottle and all. You come on with me because I gotta refresh. Last but not least is I got me a skincare. Like I have a ton of skincare. You know, I am very fortunate. And I thank everyone in the beauty community in regards to like the brands. They hook your girl up with skincare. So I really don't buy much skincare. But I really want to try the Ordinary. So I picked up this hyaluronic acid, 2% plus B5. And it's, you know, to a hydration support formula with ultra pure vegan hyaluronic acid. This is very affordable. Ordinary line is a very affordable line. And right now, this weather is really kicking my butt. I've just recently got over like having little dry patches because the weather is just so bad. And then, you know, I'm drinking my water. I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. But, you know, you got to eat right. It's a whole bunch of stress. Everything. Take a toll on your skin. So far, we're doing good. You know, I gave up my matte. Well, I didn't give it up all the way. But I've been doing more of a luminous, hydrating, natural finish type foundation. Like what I have on now is Giorgio Armani. So you guys know luminous silk. So, you know, I'm being mindful. I'm being mindful of my primers. I'm being mindful of my foundation and my skincare. And I do see a difference. I have to be because I am approaching 50. And if I want to keep my look to look like this for a longer time, I gotta be very mindful. So our haul has come to an end. I want to show you what we have because we have some new products. I am going to go pick up some more. I told you that I want to try out the Danessa. I can't even think of her name. Danessa Myrick. I want to pick up the Yummy Skin one. I'm trying to think. Right on time. This one is almost out. But I need to stop using it because I'm going to use it when I go away. No, I bought them. That's the problem now. Always talking about saving something. Use your stuff, ladies. Don't let your stuff just sit, go bad. Use your stuff. And if you find you're not using it, take it back. Get what you like, okay? I do want to get the, I might not get it, but I do want to try the Estee Lauder has a new complexion product. It's a Estee Lauder tinted moisturizer. You guys know I'm trying to be, you know, mindful because I want to get another Estee Lauder Double Wear, which is a soft matte. But the tinted moisturizer be a little bit more moisturizing, you know. I'm trying to see, but you know what, Kelly? I have to use these two products first. And, you know, see how this goes. Because I can't be spending all this money. No, yes, I can. We can spend all the money. Well, let me know if you got any new makeup for the new year. You know, what are you doing? If you're going to wait. Because, you know, right now, all the new things are kind of like popping up. You can go to Sephora page. I do have a link in my bio or down below maybe that shows like all the makeup that's like kind of like new, what's coming up. So click on that link if you ever want to know what's going on in Sephora. The link is down below. Click it, take it right to Sephora page, and you'll be like right at that home page of what's new. And we like to keep up with Sephora because Sephora won't steer us wrong at all. So here you have it. Make sure you stay tuned. If you're not following me, go ahead and follow. We're gentle over here. We're very gentle. We don't cause no trouble. Hang out with your girls. We can plan some makeup. I got some things to show you. So, you know, you got to be here to see it. You got to be here to see it.